And he made the statement, you don't have to pay taxes and I can show you. Well, when he said I can show you, the first thing I thought about is, well, I don't have tax issues, but I have another issue. And when he started talking about some of the language that I came to learn is not going to benefit me in court, it got me started on the path nonetheless. And as and anybody who wants to see, if they get access to the Dropbox, you can see my dockets and everything that show how my cases were dismissed. And then unfortunately, I was charged with perjury in an official proceeding because I'd acquired over $1 million worth of properties through an HOA foreclosure sale. Somebody I know bought the properties through an HOA. He bid on the properties, paid the money, found out about what was going on. And what happened was he came to me one day and said, Greg, I think I made a mistake. I said, what was the mistake? And he said, I bought these properties and now the banks want the properties and I don't know what to do. I'm just going to give the properties back to the bank. And when I was looking at them, I'm saying, these are legitimate transactions. The clerk sold the property. You were the high bidder. You paid cash for the properties. It's a bona fide sale. And by this time I had a little bit more insight on the law. And he's like, well, Greg, I just can't do it. I'm just going to give the properties back. And I'm like, whoa, we're not doing that. I'll help you fight it. He didn't want to fight it. So he essentially just sold me the properties through a quitclaim deed. The clerk verified the sales and then the properties became mine. I started to fight the situation inside the court. And next thing you know, I get charged with perjury in an official proceeding because one of the sitting judges called the mayor's bodyguard to have the mayor's bodyguard charge me, which is, we know that's a little bit strange.